What's up, y'all? I just wanted to get on here and share how just paying attention when I eat changed my life, and being intentional. I'm working on intermittent fasting, where I go a nice amount of time without eating. I try to eat between 12 and 8, noon and 8 p.m. Right now it's 10:03, and I didn't eat a lot yesterday, so I was hungry this morning, so I was just being intentional on what I did eat, which is I ate some fruit, strawberries, blueberries, a banana, some pistachios, and yeah, I'm gonna post pictures of before I lost my weight and where I was at, and then a picture after the fact, and then I'll share where I'm at now soon. But yeah, I just wanted to share with somebody, maybe inspire somebody out there that's on a weight loss journey. Man, just switching from just eating and not thinking before we eat, like how it could change our lives. Comment below if this video helps you in any way. But until next time, spread love, spread knowledge, be the change you want to see, and make your day good on purpose.